Hey guys, how's it going? How to block an account on TikTok. So first of all, go ahead and open up that TikTok and then find the account that you want to block by searching for their username or tapping their profile from a video. So let's have example that person, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tap the three dots at the top, or I can just, I can find right here next to the message. You can see multiple options. And you can see right here the send to button at the top, or the sharing icon at the top next to the bell icon, and you can go ahead and click block, and then basically double click to confirm that you're not gonna be able to see their content. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.